sweet. B for ball, roll on the street. C for cat, so soft and small. Come on, kids, let's learn them all. D for dog, who loves to play. E for elephant, big all day. F for fish, swimming free. G for goat, say hi to me. H for hat, on your head. I for igloo, cold instead. J for jet, flying high. K for kite, up in the sky. L for lion, brave and strong. M for monkey, sings along. N for nest, birds inside. O for octopus, ocean ride. P for pig, pink and round. Q for queen, royal crown. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S for sun, shining on top. T for train, choo-choo sound. U for umbrella when rain comes down. V for violin, music bright. W for whale, big and white. X for sun, phone, ding, ding, tune. Y for yak, mountain soon. C for zebra, black and white.